Welcome everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tyler. If you guys haven't followed me or checked out any of my other videos, I'm an entrepreneur. I've been working for myself since 2017. I built a couple local service businesses, and honestly, I'm excited to announce that I'm doing a collaboration with a partner that I've collaborated with in business for almost 3 years now. And we're going to try a short YouTube mini channel series to see how it goes, share with you guys what it's like building our businesses, growing, learning from each other, and honestly taking your feedback and seeing where this goes. So this is something new for me. It's something new for her as well, as far as doing a collaboration. She already has a successful YouTube channel that she helps her people grow and learn from. And so I'm excited to welcome Ari.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to the channel.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So this will be exciting. Again, if you guys are new, make sure you like the video, comment down below what you want us to do. We're going to be taking your feedback and just try to give you guys what you want. If we have the answer, we'll share it. If we don't know it, we'll go out and we'll try to get it. So thank you for joining, Ari.
You are welcome. And you know what? So if there are any French-speaking followers, please go ahead and subscribe and to my channel, which is Entrepreneurial Nettoyage avec Ari, and we can post a link. But yeah,
Definitely. I'll tag it in the description below, as well as any of our social media. So I'm really looking forward to this.
Me too.
Awesome. All right. Well, welcome, Ari. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and
Thank you for having me.
Super excited about this video collaboration.
Yeah.
Go ahead, tell us a little bit about yourself, how you got started in the cleaning industry, and where you're looking to go with everything.
I started my cleaning business in 2018, but prior to that, like everyone can hear my accent. I am originally from Africa, Congo, and so when we first came to America, we lived in a guest house for a little bit, and then we were given an opportunity to start living in a church building, and in exchange to living in the church building, we had to do the cleaning. So it was kind of like a free rent. Okay. So we started living there. All we had to do is prepare the church, clean and everything, and we made a living with that for about 4 years.
Okay.
We stayed there, and I came to fall in love with cleaning, for what I was doing, and to see that this exchange, for me cleaning for them and leaving them for free. And then so that's how I felt like, only because I have a passion of cleaning and turning this into a business, I started thinking about that. I was like, someday I'm gonna make this a business for me. And so time went along, and then back in 2018, that's when I decided to launch my cleaning business, and then came to meet you in 3 years ago, I think.
Somewhere around there, 2019, 2020, because it was before the pandemic.
Yeah, it was before the pandemic.
Yeah, it was 2019.
Yeah, and it's been great working with you.
Likewise.
In partnership, and I'm so glad that we can share today what we've done together as
Definitely.
Our partners. Yeah.
So that's awesome. And I mean, I'm happy to have you here, and see you have come such a long way. Honestly, you've got a hardworking, just personality about you. You really do.
Thank you.
So yeah, I'm excited and see where this video series goes, and we're honestly starting a new chapter in the business. Yeah. Seeing what comes of this.
Yeah, like I said, I've been helping out people with posting a few videos in here and there, and there's so many people who are out there with this entrepreneur spirit and would like to learn, especially in the cleaning industry, how we can do it. So yeah, why don't we share with them and see how it goes?
No, absolutely. And you're great at cleaning. I've got a little bit of background in cleaning. I've done it myself, and then just the behind the scenes, what it takes to operate, to hire, to manage, to market, to make sure you're profitable.
Right.
And having fun. I know we joke about that, but that's literally like our motto, like have fun, make money, be happy.
Right.
And just have fun with this. And what are your plans for the future? Where are you looking to go with this? Tell me about that.
Well, I have had enough experience, and then relationship with a lot of customers, and my employees as well, and my employees seem to love it. I have a big community here in Rochester, New York, who are really willing to help out, work with me and everything. And I don't see myself, stepping this beautiful journey because the relationship with clients, employees and everything, people seem to enjoy it and making a little bit of money, to help their families and everything. Yeah, of course, I really, and I know in the next videos we'll get to share with people where we're going and how we get there, and multiple other things too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that's pretty much our introduction, introducing you guys to what will be coming up. We're excited. Thank you, Ari, for letting us use your beautiful home to film in. We're going to go ahead and wrap this up, and I'm not sure how long. We haven't defined how long this video series will be. We can keep it going. It's really an experiment. I know I'm doing it to kind of pull out some creativity. I've gotten very stagnant in the cleaning. I shouldn't say the business has gotten stagnant, but it can become very redundant. I think that's something we should do a topic about. And then there's nothing wrong with that. I don't think so. I mean, it brings in steady income.
Right.
But I just need a new venture to kind of challenge myself, get outside my comfort zone, because that's when I grow the most.
Yes.
So again, thank you guys for watching this. If you stay to the end, you guys are awesome. Make sure you like.
And subscribe.
And definitely subscribe. And if this is on my channel, we're kind of figuring out where this will go. Her link to her YouTube channel will be down below, and if vice versa. Hopefully she'll tag me in mine, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.